Good day guys, and welcome to another video. I got grey hair boy, getting old. Anyway, it's coming up close to Christmas time, and I don't know if you could tell by the surroundings from my other videos. I'm actually up by my parents up in St. Anne's in Mount Hololo, the Northern Range. This is where I grew up. You see all the different trees. My mother, lemon tree. I'm not seeing any lemon, but you have a mango tree right there. It's starting to bear, whatever that is. And if you go, you can see the seasoning. Here you have rosemary. Yes, rosemary. And there you have the bandana. You all see in this leaf. And this plant, that's the bandana plant, or the killiweed in Jamaica. Alright, or shadow benny. That's the spice that we use. As you can see, it's just growing here in another house. I might take a few seeds and bring it back to Jamaica. Alright, yeah. My sister is coming there. You coming back from work?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to cut this fence. Look at it. See how bushy it is up there? I already cut here. This is something my father has been obsessed with. Once we've been living here, is keeping this fence maintained. Of course, he's older now, so I'm going to try. But he used to do it with a cutlass. Freehand. I have to use a machine. We parked the cars up there because of the terrain. And we walked down these steps to the house. It used to have an old little dirt track we used to run down. It has this fence. And as I said, my father is extremely particular about keeping this fence well groomed, and he did it a certain way, and he again manually with a cutlass, and he was so precise. But I have this power thing I'm using, so let's continue. It after. It looks okay. For some reason, it can never look as neat as when my father did it, especially like with the cutlass. I hope he likes it. He's not home at the moment, but I think it looks okay. Alright, now to just clean up all this stuff. Alright, so gonna start to rake up and sweep up. We have the indelible rake, and Caribbean households, especially like in Trinidad, we have the coquille broom or coconut broom. Alright. The coconut branches, you know, with the spine leaves, you strip it out, you make the broom. Everybody know this is the real broom for yard work and that kind of thing. So when you finish rake up, you have to pass with the coquille broom to get all the fine pieces. All Trini houses usually have a coquille or a coconut broom. So I was about to rake, and my brother-in-law informed me my father has a blower. Let's test it out. Let's see. Whoa! So that was a bit chaotic because I was holding the camera and whatnot, but it's working very, very well. So. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I'm going to help my old man again with power washing this decking with the power washer. Where is it? That's it there. But check the outfit. He's very strict about safety, so he made me put on the outfit. Boots. Manual.
Father said I'll go be kind of weak.
Helping my mom. That's in the back there. Put up the lights. So we're running these shimmer lights. We put up these posts you see in there. And we're running the lights. You'll see it better tonight, of course. So you see any lights? We have to put some tape it up to this line that we run. And it'll look really good later. Check the view of the mountains in the background now. Check it out. Yeah. Alright guys, it is in the evening. It's not fully nighttime yet. You can see the sky is still bright. But these are the lights that we hung up earlier. It looks so good. My mother wants to have more lights tomorrow. So I might try to show you guys that. But check it out. You have the lights of the view and then the lights that we hung up for Christmas. Good vibes. Alright, so here we are. I spent earlier today hanging up these lights. It's kind of bright still, alright, but I want to show you because we're going. So that's how it runs. Goes over the arch. There's the mango tree it on. It runs up. Then it goes on the plum tree. Alright, and this is the track to go by the road. All the rosemary. As I showed you guys earlier in the video. Wanted to show you guys spending some time with the parents and helping them with the season, doing some work and that kind of thing. And I hope you guys enjoyed Trini Christmas 2005. I hope you guys are okay and having a good season. And as always, remember to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay?